How to install Google Chrome from the command line. I'd like to do something similar too. Except download the OS X version from URL and install it from the command line. The corresponding instructions for installing Google Chrome on Ubuntu can be found here. I've searched high and low and Google does not seem to make the link available anywhere. I'm trying to write a script to automate installation of my standard applications for OS X. I use a set of scripts like this already to set up my Ubuntu box. Specifically, I can't seem to find the URL for the Google Chrome OS X 64-bit direct download. Edit, Final Solution.
I found this after mucking around with the page source. This URL.
I have used a script like this to copy applications from disk images. Without mount point, the DMG is mounted to a directory like /volume/google/chrome/. No browse doesn't show the volume in Finder. If the DMG has a license agreement, yes vertical bar, skips it. CP preserves extended attributes, which includes resource forks, and ACLs by default. As far as I know, Ditto is no longer needed for copying application bundles or using brew cask. Brewcask installs applications to /ops/homebrewcask/castroom/ and creates aliases to /applications/ by default.
Edit 2022, Brew install, can now do casks by default. Thanks to WizBucky for bringing it up in a comment below. Edit 2019, Homebrew has a new syntax for casks. Original, brew cask install Google Chrome, also works if you have Homebrew. It basically does the same thing as your final solution.
Here is a way to download it for Macs using Intel or Apple chips.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.